Noting papers allow the DSB to raise issues for informal consultation, distinct from the formal consultation process via decision proposals. This is a summary of Noting Paper 291. The purpose of NP 291 is to outline a consultation plan to inform development of consumer data right, CDR, action initiation. A series of community workshops is planned to discuss various topics. The workshops seek to understand current processes for initiating actions, independent of the CDR. Each workshop will be informed by previous workshops. The goals of the consultation include informing the Payments and Action Initiation Legislative Declaration, informing the development of the CDR AIF, Action Initiation Framework, informing Treasury's Action Initiation Rules Development. The first focus area is payment process flows. Participants who wish to attend can register for Workshop 1. NP 291 includes the sections Overview, Introduction to Action Initiation, Modeling the Action Layer, and Design Questions. Overview describes the purpose of the noting paper and consultation plan. Introduction to Action Initiation discusses aspects of the consent process and the interactions required between consumer, accredited data recipient, ADR, and data holder, DH. This section also introduces new terms, Accredited Action Initiator, AAI, and Action Service Provider, ASP. Modeling the Action Layer discusses preliminary plans for action initiation workshops, including objectives, intended activities for the first workshop, and ideas for future workshops. Design Questions asks for community feedback on a number of design issues. If you have an interest in these questions and topics, read NP 291 for additional detail. To provide your input in response to these questions, add your comments to NP 291. To attend the workshop, register at the site linked in the video description. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.